Hello guys, Joyce Gu here. I hope you guys are having a great holiday season. Today's already 29th of December. I can't believe it's already gone. We only have a couple of days left. Before the year ends, I wanted to take a moment to thank you guys for having me in your life. I wanted to share one thing with you, especially for those who are self-employed and small business owners. I run into and talk to small business owners quite often, right, because of what I do. And lately, because of the law change, no, we're not required to, or there's no penalty for not having health insurance starting 2019. So I see that business owners kind of opt out of it. But you know, for those though who have family members like their children, their spouse, because insurance premiums are so high, they would get insurance for their dependents, but not on themselves, thinking that, you know, I'm healthy, what could possibly happen in a year? And they want to save that extra premium, which is pretty high, right? I totally get it, it's expensive. But I want you to think about this, like small business owners, if you're self-employed, 100% of your health insurance premiums are deductible, right? That's one thing. Another thing, if your company is a bit bigger, if you offer health insurance and get a high deductible health insurance to lower your insurance premiums, then you can open up other vehicles like health savings account or flexible spending account to kind of like make it work for you, right? So you don't actually lose the money by having these extra accounts, but be able to support you should you be hospitalized or go see a doctor or have a surgery, right? So the whole idea is that by having these different vehicles with high deductible is that you kind of lower the health insurance premium, but you set aside enough money, tax preferred way, so you can pull the money if you need to. Even if that is too much, I strongly suggest that you look into other alternatives, because I know medical bills can be really, really insanely high and expensive. I personally have an experience as to how much it was, right? So it's not something we can pay out of our savings account should you become hospitalized for any reason. And most importantly, I think is this, we want to ensure or protect the goose that lays golden eggs, not the golden eggs, right? If we were to look at golden eggs as an income, which is critical to keep our family safe and, you know, provide them. But if should something happen to the goose, right, then everything kind of falls apart. So ensuring the one who's making or who's a breadwinner in a family, protecting the person is most important. So that way, you know, we can ensure that income is going to come, right? The golden eggs are going to come our way. So I hope you take a look at it and see what's available. As a person who does like group benefit plans, I think that protection is the first thing that you need to look into and take care of before we talk about other accumulation of assets and all that. So I hope you take a moment to do that. And you may say the open enrollment season is over. Yes, it is over for individuals, but it is not over for business owners. And so if you want to open up a group benefit plans, you can always open it up any time of the day, or any time of the year. So you can certainly look into it. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I wish you a happy, healthy, and prosperous new year. I thank you, and we'll talk to you later.